This is problems 12 and 13 on the review. The reason it's not yellow is because when I previewed it, I had done this problem 12 incorrectly. So I'm going to redo 12. And so I have the area of a triangle plus the area of a half circle. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the area of the circle. Area of the circle equals pi r squared. Just like I have to remind myself, I'm going to say divide by 2. I'm going to do radius. Now diameter equals 4, so radius equals 2. And so area of the circle is pi 2 squared, which is 4 pi. But remember, I have to divide by 2, so area of a half circle is 2 pi, which is 6.28. Okay, so that takes care of that one. Now the area of a triangle equals 1/2 BH, which equals 1/2, and remember I have to have the perpendiculars, so it's 4 times 3.5, which is 7, and so the total area is the area of the triangle and the half circle, which is the total area would be 13.28 inches squared. Problem 13, Danny has a rectangular rose garden, measures 10 by 20. One bag of fertilizer can cover 16 feet squared. Can cover is area. How many bags will be needed to cover the entire garden? So when I'm doing covering, I'm doing area. So area of my rectangle equals 10 by 20, which is 200. And I'm going to cover it with 16 feet. Each bag covers 16 feet. So I'm going to do 200 divided by 16, that's a 200, equals 12.5 bags. You don't buy fertilizer in half bags, so my answer would be 13 bags. Then it says, how much will Danny pay in total for fertilizer if each costs $7.50? So I'm buying 13 bags at $7.50 each, so I'm multiplying that, and I get $97.50 for the total cost to cover my rose garden. And that finishes up questions 12 and 13 on your review.